Hi everyone! This video is the first of a series of super short films that will spread awareness about power quality and in particular harmonics. More and more often motors are using variable frequency drives or a VFD. A 6-pulse VFD is great and saves you a lot of energy. The flip side though is that the VFD generates harmonic distortion, as the current used is not the same as the current supplied. This harmonic current is waste and does not perform any work at all. The harmonic current is not dangerous to your grid, but it causes transformer heat, losses, and reduces the transformer lifetime. Harmonic current is also the source for harmonic voltage, which may cause serious disturbances in your onboard operation. It's therefore important to remove the harmonic current so the harmonic voltage never occurs. Each VFD contributes to the voltage distortion, and the sum of all loads at the transformer level makes the problem. The voltage is centralized and the problem is transported on the voltage. So if you have a lot of 6-pulse VFDs on board, you should give me a ring and I will tell you how to solve that problem. In the next film, I will talk about voltage distortion and class requirements, all that you need to know to be in compliance. We'll see you soon.